In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Firefox. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone. This could be any browser you currently have installed, such as Google Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. The choice of browser does not matter much. What's important is that you need access to the internet. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for downloading Firefox. Once you have your web browser open, we are ready to move on to the next step. Now go to the official Firefox download page. You can do this by typing in the web address, that is https://www.firefox.com/en-us. As you enter the URL, you will notice that this is the trusted source for downloading Firefox. Visiting the official site ensures that you get the latest version of the browser without any unwanted software. Once you reach the page, you will see a user-friendly interface welcoming you to Firefox. Next, locate and click the button that says Download Firefox or Get Firefox. This button is prominently displayed on the page. When you click it, Firefox will begin preparing the download for your specific operating system. Firefox is available for various platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iPhone. This variety means that no matter what device you are using, there is a version of Firefox ready for you. If you're using Windows, open the downloaded installer file after it finishes downloading. By doing this, you are initiating the installation process for Firefox. You might see a prompt from Windows asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. This step is significant because it ensures that the software can be installed correctly on your system. Wait for the installation to finish. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. You will see a progress bar indicating that the installation is in progress. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Firefox from your desktop or Start menu. Seeing Firefox open for the first time is an exciting moment, as you are now ready to explore a new browsing experience. Optionally, you can sign into your Firefox account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history across devices. If you already have a Firefox account, enter your credentials to log in. If not, consider creating an account to take advantage of these features. Syncing your data ensures that you have access to your important information, regardless of the device you are using. If you want a specific version, language, or operating system, use Mozilla's download page here, https://www.firefox.com/en-gb/download/AAAA/. This page offers a wide range of options tailored to your needs. For instance, if you require Firefox in a language other than English or a particular version for older systems, this is the place to go. Firefox downloads in different languages and versions. This means that you can choose from over 90 languages, making it accessible to users around the world. Selecting the right version ensures that Firefox runs smoothly and fits seamlessly into your tech environment. By following these steps, you will have successfully downloaded Firefox. You can now enjoy a fast, secure, and user-friendly web browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!